Hello there, today let me introduce you to potato gratin. This is very rustical version, so I pre-boil potatoes for 10 minutes. Potato skins provide a lot of flavor. Cut the potatoes into quarters. For gratins I choose flurry varieties. Now I will show you how to make the first layer for the casserole. Use Serrano ham, it has wonderful aroma. Slice by slice, make a layer all over casserole. Don't forget about the edges. Serrano ham originally is called Jamón Serrano, and is a kind of dry-cured ham produced in Spain. I use 7 slices per 23 side square casserole. Chorizo is a type of pork sausage. It has deep red color from dried smoked red peppers. Cut the sausages lengthwise and cut them into smaller pieces. Chorizo may be picante, spicy, or dulce mild. Do you prefer spicy or mild sausages? A comment? Let's move to cheeses. I use 2 sorts. 4 slices of Gouda cheese. Roll the slice and chop it finely. I prefer this way rather than grated cheese because you get longer strings. Manchego you will see a little bit later. There is nothing better than ripe green olives. These are Gordal variety and they come from Spain. They are bigger than regular size olives and very tender. For drizzling mixture, combine 4 tsp of olive oil, 1 tsp of salt, half tsp of rosemary, half tsp of garlic powder, 2 tsp of sweet paprika, and finally 1 tsp of dried oregano. Mix it well, it's very aromatic. Do you remember our Serrano casserole? Let's do it. Pre-boiled potatoes arrange so that they take up the entire bottom, and the edges do not stick together. Divide the chorizo and olives between the potatoes. Preheat the oven to 180 to 356. Drizzle spices, mix all over casserole. Gouda strings on top. Last but not least, Manchego cheese. It's a Spanish cheese made from sheep milk. Manchego has a firm and compact consistency and a buttery texture. Bake it about 20 minutes or until soft potatoes. It smells fantastic. Finish with some fresh herbs. Parsley is perfect. Let me know if you like this recipe. And subscribe for videos like that.